Being monitored and guided. Forest officer shares drone footage of leopard swimming. Indian Forest Service IFS officer Parveen Kaswan shared a mesmerizing video of a leopard swimming across the river. In the video, leopard is seen desperately trying to get to the land. Kaswan shared the video and told that this act of the creature was documented through micro drones. He also informed that authorities are closely invigilating anti-poaching activities. When this leopard swimming through river was documented through a monitoring drone. Micro drones are used for keeping a watch and doing anti-poaching duties, Kaswan captioned the video on X. This leopard was released after rescue, hence being monitored and guided, he added. When this leopard swimming through river was documented through a monitoring drone. Micro drones are used for keeping a watch and doing anti-poaching duties. This leopard was released after rescue, hence being monitored and guided. Pic.twitter.com's TDSJNCKC Parveen Kaswan, IFS Parveen Kaswan July 12, 2025 post goes viral. The stunning video caught a lot of attention and netizens praised the wildlife and nature. These are the true treasures of the world: rivers, mountains, plants, and animals. So good to see. Hoping that forests and wildlife will be protected further in India, a user commented on IF's post. Swipe left for next video. Very rare footage because unlike tigers and jaguars, leopards will not habitually swim across water bodies, unless they absolutely have to. Since this is a recently released leopard, it must be facing a high degree of territorial stress, which will hopefully subside over time. Another comment reads: IF's Parveen Kaswan keeps sharing the glimpses of wildlife on social media sites and the users praise him and administration's efforts towards conservation. Latest blogs